Hi everyone, salam Muslims. Last video on BlackBerry, people say they can't flash it like we did, so this time full video with full process. Just do the same today. Two different way of flashing. First we will use Autoloader, then Desktop Manager. Let's start. Download Autoloader of your model. Our case it's 9900. Already download, run it as admin and connect power in off mode, or take out battery and connect it. Once connect, put the battery back in. Then wait and let it do its work. Note, don't disconnect the cable or pull out battery during this process, it will brick you BlackBerry.
BlackBerry is done. Now we will install some apps. After that,
Now second process. Install BlackBerry Desktop Manager and firmware we provide in description below. Open Desktop Manager and connect the phone without battery. Wait.
second process, it's updating. After starting, and there you go. We are in update.
Till it pop up repair notification. Now click repair update, it will repair your firmware. Let it work and AG, don't mess with anything.
खुदा है नहीं काम करेगा चलो फिर उसको शाम तक देखते हैं फिर शाम तक ठीक है भाई मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ
Thanks for watching. Stay bless. Allah bless us Imam Mahdi and restore Khilafat Amin.